Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can disable the Windows 11 antivirus. So if you are frustrated because Windows security or the vendor is getting in your way, whether you are trying to install a program, run a game, or test something new, sometimes Windows 11's built-in antivirus can be a little too protective. So what you need to do to disable it is just go to the Windows settings, click on this window icon, go to settings, and just go straight to this privacy and security. Tap on Windows security, click on this virus and threat protection, and the Windows security will be open. Now you can just tap on manage settings under the virus and threat protection settings. And here, just turn this real-time protection off. So you can just tap on yes, and after that you can retry the installations or opening a game that you want. So that's all from me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. So you can just hit the like, subscribe, and click on the thanks for more Windows 11 tips and tricks. Bye.